For 60 years, a 25% tax blocked foreign trucks from America. Detroit loved it. But Volvo? They built a secret weapon in swampland and cracked the code. This is how a Swedish giant outsmarted Washington. Rewind to 1964. The US slapped a 25% tax on foreign trucks. Why? To punish Europe for banning cheap American chicken. Detroit's Big Three celebrated. For decades, their pickups ruled tax-free. Foreign rivals? Crushed. Volvo watched Japanese brands try crazy tricks. Subaru added rear seats to trucks. Ford stripped vans' interiors. All to dodge the tax. Many failed. Fines hit $365 million. Volvo needed a smarter plan. 2015. Volvo scouts swamps near Charleston, South Carolina. Why here? Alligators and loopholes. They poured $500 million into a factory camouflaged as a sedan production. But the real target? Trucks. They started building S60 sedans in 2018. Just a decoy. By 2023, the EX90 electric SUV rolled out. Then came the masterstroke. Polestar EVs and Volvo V&R heavy trucks, all made in USA. Zero tariffs. April 2025. Trump threatens new 25% tariffs on all imported cars. Chaos hits automakers. But Volvo? Already ready. Their SC plant became a fortress. CEO Jim Rowan declared, "We're building high-volume models here now. Europeans, note this genius. Volvo's regionalization strategy. Hubs in China, Europe, and now America. While rivals pay tariffs, Volvo ships US-made EX90s to Europe. Reverse globalization. Volvo's SC plant employs 4,000 Americans. It's pumping out 150,000 vehicles yearly. But here's the twist. Their electric trucks now dominate 50% of North America's heavy-duty EV market. Detroit's protected profits. Vanishing. Volvo proved. Build local, win global. Even as tariffs hit $200,000 per import, their South Carolina alligators guard a tax-free empire. So next time you see a Volvo semi-truck, remember the swamp that killed a 60-year tax. Smash. Like if you love trade war loopholes. Subscribe to Speed Scout. We expose automotive secrets weekly.